Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today it's a very important day, date 18 March 2021. We are here in San Gimignano with my wonderful team, and today is a very special day because it's the pruning day. Look at here, we are in this very beautiful olive trees area, and how you know, this very old olive tree was abandoned for a long time. And these three guys here today, they have a mission because they have to cut all the hair of the trees, also because they have to take out all the bad weeds that grow up on the olive trees. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot thank you so much enough for your support, to support the Tenuta Torciano, to help these beautiful trees in the back of myself that will produce an amazing olive oil. Buongiorno Nick, buongiorno Alice. Today, look at here, we are working on your beautiful trees. We have Millie, our expert, that today is working and it's pruning your beautiful trees. Millie, how's going over there? Grande. Look here, Nick and Alice. After we will send you your trees, how look at before and now how it's looking right now. This is a very important job that we are doing on every single trees that we have in our property. And please ask to your friend, ask to your neighbors to help us and support us in this beautiful mission to save all these olive trees. Thank you so much. Ciao Karen, buongiorno. Look where we are. We are in front of your beautiful trees. And we have Giovanni that right now is working very hard on your trees. Look over there. Ciao Giovanni!
Ciao ragazzi!
Come va?
Tutto bene.
Look, we are working very hard because it's a long time that these trees we didn't prune for a long time because it was abandoned, and we are saving them from all the bad weeds that grow up on the trees. In this way, in November, we will have an amazing oil with a great flavor. Thank you so much, Karen, another time, and we are sending you a big hug. We cannot wait to have you here back in Tuscany. Trees number 45, Rob. Tree number 41, Alina. Tree number 33, Joseph. Tree number 26, Rosemary. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to support my family, my company, and to support us to keep alive these beautiful trees. Because how you know, the trees, the olive trees, they absorb around 700 kilograms of carbon dioxide, and they give us back beautiful oxygen. But the most important thing is that we save all these beautiful trees that you see in this olive area, and we have amazing olive oil in the month of November. This is very important because in this way we preserve and we save the nature. Thank you so much. One big hug.